Hello, and welcome to this week's edition of Wednesday Wisdom. My name is JB Hilliard, and these are weekly video snippets of information related to estate planning, probate, or other legal concerns you may have. And this week, I'm actually continuing from the last Wednesday Wisdom post I did on building a legacy. And in fact, I've been thinking a lot more about this since last time, and I'll probably make this a series because I think I don't want to go too long because these are supposed to be short each week. But this, we'll just say, dub this as part 2, and there will probably be a part 3 and a part 4. So stay tuned for that. But in the meantime, I want to redefine what legacy is, and really when you talk about leaving a legacy, that's more than just or really estate planning. When we talk about, well, I dub myself the life and legacy planning attorney. So in the context of estate planning, it's more than just signing a set of documents and then putting those documents on a shelf or in a drawer somewhere. So let's first look at what or how Merriam-Webster defines legacy. And that is, let me put it up on the screen for you. I talked last week that it's a gift or bequest. We kind of understand that in the context of estate planning. You know, what you leave in your will or give to somebody might be your legacy. But I want to dive a level deeper there and look at this other definition that says something transmitted by or received from an ancestor or predecessor or from the past. And so in the context of your family, that might mean, your legacy might be the spirit of giving or volunteerism or charitable work, not necessarily giving in a monetary format, but wanting your family members to want to volunteer, to want to help others. In my case, in the context of my passion, I want to leave the legacy of entrepreneurship. I've been a business owner for over 20 years, and so that's in my blood, that's in my DNA. Not realizing at the time I started this journey that that's where I would be, because I started in the military and then went into corporate America, but that's where I landed, and I love it. And so I want to leave that as my legacy for my family. Yours might look like something else. And so I just want to emphasize the fact that it's not just about stuff you leave. Life and legacy planning is what I dub myself, the life and legacy planning attorney, is not saying, well, after my life, I leave my stuff. It's saying, how is my desire for leaving something memorable for my family, leaving something that can withstand generation through generation? What is that? What does that look like? Even in the form of leaving your family a video message or an audio message, not just something written in a document, but something from you directly to them. That would be something that you can include as part of that life and legacy planning package. So I just wanted to leave you with that for this week. And as I said, I'll be talking further about, I think I'll pose it as some challenges, some weekly challenges that I'll give you to further define or refine or recognize what your legacy might be. So in the meantime, as always, I thank you for watching. I hope you're staying safe and healthy and sanitized out there, and continue social distancing and wearing masks and gloves where you can. And we'll see you next time.